Good morning, my dear students. So today we will do from question number 17 of exercise 5.2. So let us see the question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So in this question AP is given. You have to find the 20th term from the last term. So first we will find the total number of terms in this given AP series. So in this AP series, what is A is 3, which is the first term. So right here first A is 3. B is the common difference. The common difference is 8 minus 3 is 5. So difference is 5. And the last term is 253, which is taken as AN. 253. So first we will find N. N means the total number of terms in this series. So first put the formula for AN. It is A plus N minus 1 into D. Now what is AN? AN is 253. A is 3 plus N minus 1 into D. D is how much? 5. Now first take this 3 on left side. It is subtracted from 253. So 253 minus 3 is 250 is equal to. Now for the brackets here, 5 into N is 5N minus 5 is 5. Now again take this 5 on left side. So 250 plus 5 is 255 is equal to 5N. Now what is N? N is 255 divided by 5 and it is cancelled with 51. It means there are total 51 terms in this series. Now you have to find the 20th term from the last 51st term. मतलब आपने 51st term से जो 20th term आएगी from the last, you have to find that. So it is which one? It is 32 term. A32. Clear students? मतलब जो 32nd term होगी that is the 20th term from the last term. So it means you will find the value for A32. Clear? So A32 is how much? It is A plus 31D. Now what is A? A is 3 and D is how much? 5. So put this value. Now 31 5 7. It is 155 and 155 plus 3 is 158. So it means 158 is the 20th term from the last term. मतलब जो last से 20th term होगी उसकी value 158 है. Clear? Now see the next question number 18. The sum of the 4th and the 8th term of an AP is 24. The sum means you will add which term? 4th and 8th. So 4th term is A4 and 8th term is A8. So the sum of 4th and 8th term is how much? It is 24, which is given. And the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. 6th term A6 and 10th term is A10. Its sum is given, which is 44. You have to find the first 3 terms of the AP. So to find the first 3 terms of AP, we need to find here first term A and the common difference D. So what is A4? A4 is written as A plus how much? 3D. And A8 is written as A plus 7D. Is equal to 24. Now what is A plus A? A plus A is 2A. 2A plus 3D plus 7D is 10D. Is equal to 22. So take this equation number 1. Now solve this one. Second condition, A6 is written as A plus 5D plus and A10 written as A plus 9D. And the sum is given 44. Now again solve this. A plus A is 2A. 5D plus 9D. It is 14D. Is equal to 44. Take the question number 2. Now we are solving question 1 and 2 by by elimination method. Clear students? So to solve by elimination method, you need to check that the coefficient of one of the variable should be same or not. So see here, in the first equation coefficient of A is 2 and in the second one coefficient of A is again 2. It means it is same. So we are solving it. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24 and the second equation is 2A plus 40D is equal to 44. Now we need to change this sign. So now see here 2A minus 2A, it is cancelled, plus 10D minus 14D, it is minus 4D. Now 24 minus 44 is minus 20. Now again identify cancel from both sides. So what is D? D is 20 by 4. It is equal to 5. So this means common difference is 5. I will put the value for D in this first equation. So we get first term 2a plus 10d. Now d is here 5. So 10 5 is 50 is equal to 24. Or 2a is equal to 24 minus 50. It is minus 26. And what is a? A is minus 26 over 2, which is equal to minus 13. So it means the first term is minus 13 and the common difference is 5. So we have to find their first three terms. So the first term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d. So first term is a. So value of a is minus 13. Second term is a plus d. It means you will add the common difference to its previous term. So see here minus 13 plus 5. It is equal to minus 8. Now again next term is again you have to add d. So minus 8 plus 5 is how much? Minus 3. So these are the first three terms of this AP series. The first term is minus 13, second is minus 8 and the third is minus 3. Clear students? So this is the question number 17 and 18. Next see question number 19. Subha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. So increment means उसकी सैलरी जो है मतलब हर साल 200 रुपीस इंक्रीज हो रही है, ठीक. सो एट द फर्स्ट ईयर his salary was how much? Rupees 5,000. Next year his salary was increased by rupees 200. So salary was rupees 5,200. Again on the third year salary was 5,400 rupees. So in this way salary was increased by every year by rupees 200. So in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? तो क्वेश्चन में मैंने पूछा है कि उसकी सैलरी कौन से ईयर में जाके in which year his income reached by rupees 7,000, उसकी जो इनकम है वो rupees 7,000 तक पहुंच जाए. It means the last term is here rupees 7,000. Clear students? So first term is 5,000, last term is 7,000. तो इन्होंने पूछा कि जो 7,000 सैलरी है उसकी वो कौन से ईयर में जाके होगी. It means you will find here nth year. So take here first term E 5,000, common difference D 200. 5,200 minus 5,000 is rupees 200. And the last term is taken as n, which is 7,000. So you will find here n. So formula for n is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is an? An is 7,000. A is the first term, which is 5,000. Plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference is rupees 200. So first take is 5,000. Which is 2,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. Now cancel this 2, 0. Now this 2 ones are 2 and 2 times are how much? 20. So 10 is equal to n minus 1. Or what is n? N is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to how much? 11. So it means in the 11th year his salary was reached by rupees 7,000. मतलब 11th year में जाके उसकी जो salary है rupees 7,000 तक पहुंच जाए. So now see the next question number 20. So this is the last question of exercise 5.2. The question is Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving become rupees 20.75, find n. So same question as it is question number 19. So in first week Ramkali saved rupees 5 and he increased her weekly saving by rupees how much? Rupees 1.75. मतलब हर वीक उसने अपनी जो सेविंग है उसको इंक्रीज किया. कितने रुपीज इंक्रीज किया? रुपीज 1.75. इट मीन्स इन द नेक्स्ट वीक he saved how much? Rupees 6.75. Again next week again saving 1.75 rupees more. So its saving was how much? It is rupees 8.50. Clear? You will add 1.75 to the 6.75. So it becomes 8.50 and so इन्होंने क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि इफ इन द nth वीक में जाके इसकी जो सेविंग है इट बिकम्स रुपीज 20.75. किसी वीक में जाकर उसकी जो सेविंग है वो रुपीज 20.75 हो गई. तो पूछा है वो कौन से वीक में हुई है? इन विच वीक? सो यू विल फाइंड हियर व्हाट n. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज हियर 85. कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 1.75 and here is the last term and it is 20.75. Now find the value for n. So again n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. The value of n is here 20.75 is equal to a. A is how much? 5 plus n minus 1 into d. d is 1.75. Now subtract this 5 from this value. It is 15.75 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. Now 15.75 divided by this 1.75 is equal to n minus 1. Alright, now it is cancelled with 5, 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5 and 5 5 is 25 and it is 0.35. Again it is cancelled. 0.7, it is 0.63. Now it is cancelled with how much? 9. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 9 plus 1, it means it is equal to 10. So in the 10th week a saving was rupees 20.75. मतलब 10th वीक में जाके जो सेविंग है वो कितनी हो जाएगी? रुपीज 20.75. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 and 20.